welcome you all to the second RBNI Winter School. First of all, have a very fruitful dialogue, scientific dialogue among yourselves. The idea is really to have a celebration of science.
I'm going to talk about nanomaterials, but in a particular context.
All right, so what we want to do is essentially this. Take a single molecule and bring electrical contacts to that single molecule. I really can extract the band of any strength.
So we have to teach students to bring the gospel to the next generation. That's why I'm here.
And I'll explain what quantum computers can do that the ordinary computers in principle cannot.
I'll start with a couple of slides to try and convince you how wonderful proteins are, maybe even more sophisticated than computers.
Wonderful session. We have many students who are presenting their work. It's their best work, and they're very eager to show it to their colleagues and to the scientists who are visiting here, the lecturers and the professors from the other universities. And I see that it's a very lively transfer of information with some fun and humor as well, and good beer. So everybody's happy.
I think particularly important is that they interact with the other ones. I mean, the other students working in different areas, because in my opinion, this always opens new routes for interdisciplinary research.
So my poster is about graphite that is considered insoluble, but I proved that indeed, if you use the right solvent, it can be soluble. That's it.
Morning. What I hope to tell you today is I'm going to tell you something about the type of work that we are doing in my laboratory, studying molecular motors. ATP cannot bind.
והמדען שדיבר עכשיו, בעצם ב-20 שנים האחרונות, הוא חוקר את המנגנון הזה של המנוע שמושך על ה-DNA ומכניס אותו פנימה לצורך התא.
Well, you know, I really think that science is an activity that requires passion. And I always tell my students that they should always follow their heart.
One of the reasons the talks have been so good, aside from the speakers being so good, is that quite seriously, the audience is good.
I think we have plenty of time to hear about geckos, how they stick, and a little bit about why you all might care. Interdisciplinary science is basically a requirement, but the question is, how do you train young scientists? How do you train students to become successful collaborators? And I think that's what this workshop is doing so well by bringing together a team of distinguished scientists who I feel very honored to be part of, and putting us together with the students and showing what's new and exciting in interdisciplinary science. And I've just heard so many good ideas and good questions from the students, so it's clear that that message is coming through.
best meeting I have for a long time.
Yes?
Yeah, it's a very good program. Even if it's beyond outside my area, I enjoy tremendously. Well done.
Starting with the venue, which is very important, was terrific. The setting here in Ein Gedi, the hotel, the lecture room, everything has been just fantastic. And the lecturers, we were able to bring the very best in the field, people who are not only excellent scientists, but also very good educators. We have to remember that the students that gathered here are the best students one can find, the best group of students. And putting all these factors together, I think this has been an extremely successful winter school.